All right. Today we're going to learn how to use a custom lower thirds for our news program, how to import it, how to add it onto a timeline, and then how to make minor changes to it to use on our news program. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to go to Google Drive from this link right here. There will be hopefully some like a permanent page somewhere that has this link for you guys. If you click that, you go to here. You're going to download this. I'm on a Macintosh because my PC was having issues, my teacher PC. So we're using Macintosh, so the top menu is a little different, but this should work the same. You download that. It might end up on a PC giving you some kind of zipped file. Then you're going to have to go to the zip unzipping tutorial and unzip it. But basically, it's a simple process. But all right, so once you get this downloaded onto your computer, you're going to have a Mogrt, a motion graphic. And on my Macintosh, it looks like this, but it's going to just look a little different in your Windows interface. So now we go here to Adobe Premiere Pro. I don't have. You really should have a person that you're using lower thirds for. So basically, what a lower thirds is the person's name and title, or sometimes just the name under them when you introduce them onto a news program, and then you don't have to say their name or anything like that. So it's on the lower third of the frame. That's how it got its name. So a few versions of Premiere Pro ago, they added this feature here. You can click. So first, let's go up here to. We're going to go on to Captions and Graphics. Okay, so if you click on these, you get different workspaces. We're going to go to Captions and Graphics. And I'm spoiling it there for. And you have all kinds of graphics you can drag and put on your timeline here. Yep. Yep. So, okay. Then you can easily just take them out. All right. So we're going to use a little plus button here, and if you hover over it, it says Install Motion Graphics Template. That's a Mogrt. And this is Macintosh, so it's different. Okay, I named this Bronco News L3 for lower third Mogrt. And I named it 1 with an underscore, and that'll put it at the very top here. Okay. Some window was hidden. I needed to click OK on. All right. So if this is not at the very top, you're going to search for Bronco and it'll come up right there. It's going to be Bronco News, lower third. I starred mine, and I made it a favorite so that it'll be easier to find later. And then you click and drag it on to your timeline on one of the higher, video layers, 3 or one's for your A roll, 2 is for your B roll, so it should be on 3 or higher. Okay, so it has a little bit of motion to it, and it's the default text on it says first, last, student, and academy of. All right, so let's get started. So we're going to give somebody with a long name here, so we can control it with edit down here, and we're going to change the text on it, and it is going to be Bodie face. That's kind of a long name. Bodie McFaceson. Okay, we're going to make it even longer there. All right, and it got cut off. What do we do? Okay, let's just go ahead and type in the next one. Student, Academy of, and Bodie McFaceson is in the Academy of Professional Services. Oh my God, that got cut off too. How about we go over here and we're going to go to text on this window over here. And there's another, you can also type in stuff over here. So now we can edit stuff over here. We can edit stuff over here, and we have what we're looking at in the middle. So it says down here at the bottom, box length, top box length. So let's give Bodie McFacerson more room there. And let's give the Academy of Professional Services more room there. And there we go. And then we can just hit copy, and then go over here, hit paste, and the next person we're going to ID is also in the Academy of Professional Services, and they have a much shorter name, and we're going to edit their name over here. Their name is Bill Lee. All right. And Bill Lee here now has way too much orange space. So we're going to get top box length here, and we're just going to shrink it down. There we go. And we're going to watch the motion graphic for each of them. Okay, and it looks kind of blurry there. It's because it's not rendered yet. It'll look fine when you export it. If you're worried about that, go ahead and go to sequence, render into out for everything, and take a look at it again before you export it. All right, and that's how you use our new custom Bronco News lower third. Thanks for watching.